Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to make a dramatic rainstorm poster. Place your subject photo and dark background. Add rainy overlay texture, set blend mode to screen. No duplicate and blur slightly for realistic motion. Use curves to enhance lighting contrast. Paint light reflections on wet surfaces. Add fog brushes for atmosphere. Apply color lookup. Select teal orange plus contrast. Add lens flare for cinematic tone. And now adjust color temperature toward cool blues. Merge all layers and sharpen the main subject. Add light weakness to centralize focus. Your dramatic rainstorm poster is